Ready to ditch the manual entry nightmare, but wondering if handing your bank details to Plaid is a leap of faith or a recipe for disaster? Hey everyone! In this video, we're dissecting Plaid, the financial data network linking your apps to your bank account, to see if it's genuinely a trustworthy option. First, let's talk security. Plaid uses bank-level encryption, also known as AES 256-bit encryption, to protect your data. All it's transmitted and stored. This is the same standard major financial institutions use. They also enforce multi-factor authentication whenever possible, adding an extra layer of security to prevent unauthorized access to your account. So, even if someone gets your password, they still need that second verification method. Now, let's dive into the often murky waters of data privacy. Plaid's policy states they collect your transaction data, account balances, and identity information to provide their services. However, they claim to only share anonymized, aggregated data with third parties for things like market research, but you always have the right to control and delete your data by contacting them. It's also crucial to acknowledge Plaid's track record. They have faced scrutiny and even settlements over data privacy concerns in the past. While they've taken steps to improve, it's worth staying informed about their history. User reviews are a mixed bag. Some praise Plaid's convenience and seamless integration, while others express concerns about security and control over their data. Do your research and read multiple sources. In conclusion, Plaid employs robust security measures and is transparent about data usage, but past incidents highlight the importance of staying vigilant. Ultimately, the decision to trust Plaid depends on your own risk tolerance. What are your thoughts on Plaid? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech and security deep dives.